In today's video, we are going to cover how to transfer money from Shopify to bank account. If you are already logged into your Shopify admin, begin by going to the bottom left corner of the screen and clicking Settings. This opens the main settings area for your store where payment and payout details are managed. From the Settings menu, click Payments. On this page, look for the Shopify Payments section. This is where Shopify shows the payment method connected to your store and the payout information tied to that account. Once you find Shopify Payments, click View Payouts. That opens your payout details where you can review the movement of funds from Shopify to your bank account. On this screen, take a moment to look through your recent payouts, any payouts that are currently scheduled, and your previous payout history. This helps you see when funds have already been sent and when the next bank deposit is expected. After that, open Payout Settings. In this area, check the bank account connected to Shopify Payments. Make sure the account details shown there are correct. Pay close attention to the destination account, since this is where Shopify will send your available funds. If the bank account information needs to be changed, update it here and follow any verification steps Shopify requests. Depending on your account status or location, Shopify may ask you to confirm details before the update is accepted. If that happens, complete the requested verification before moving on. Next, review your payout schedule. This shows how often Shopify sends eligible funds to your bank account. The schedule can affect when money appears in your bank, so this is the section to check if you want to understand the timing of your deposits. It is also important to note that once your bank account is connected and verified, you normally do not need to send the money manually. Shopify Payments automatically transfers eligible funds based on the payout schedule shown in your account. If you are looking for a transfer button, you may not see one because the process is handled automatically after setup is complete. Anytime you want to check on an incoming deposit, go back to View Payouts. That page will show the status of your payouts and the expected date for funds to reach your bank account. If a payout is pending, scheduled, or already sent, that information will appear there along with the related amount. This process is mainly about confirming that your payout settings and bank details are correct, then checking the payout page to monitor when Shopify sends your funds. Once those details are in place, the transfer happens through Shopify Payments according to your schedule. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify funds are now set to transfer to your connected bank account according to your payout schedule.